Abstention. The decision, in a multilateral forum, to refrain from voting either for or against a proposed resolution. Abstention must be contrasted with blank vote, in which a voter casts a ballot willfully made invalid by marking it wrongly, or by not marking anything at all. A blank voter has voted, although their vote may be considered a spoilt vote, depending on each legislation, while an abstaining voter has not voted. Abstentions do not count in tallying the vote negatively or positively. When members abstain, they are in effect attending only to contribute to a quorum. Instead, blank votes may be counted in the total of votes, depending on the legislation.